So today we will discuss like how we can create a dynamic files. Like we will try to concatenate some date with the file name so that every day this if we have scheduled a task which will create multiple files with the dates, like if it will be executing daily basis, then every day it will be creating one file with the file name and the date. So how we can do this? So if you remember in the last discussion, uh, we have export the data from the Salesforce by using some of the configurations file or some of the encryption key. We have completed that task. So we will using the same configuration file, and we will try to create a dynamic files. So if you see here, we have imported three XML files inside this configuration file. One is XML-NS, and this XML-NS-XSI, and XSI schema location. So these four URL we required to import here so that we can use some date parameter from the Java class. So we have imported these files so that we can use current date time. So we have if you remember in the last, we have just passed the path and with the file name, but here what we required something like that account underscore with the date, so that if it will execute every day, it will be can concatenate the date with the file name. So every day it will create a new file, otherwise it will override the same file every day. So we have a syntax for that. So I'm just writing here. We just follow the same thing. We are just binding the data as a dynamic. Here we have a syntax like t java dot time dot we have a method now, and we need to typecast as a string. Yeah, just save it. Let's execute this run export. If you see, we already having one account at CSV file. So if I will run this, it will create separate account file with the date. Okay, I think something is went wrong. Let me check from the command line first. Okay, I think there was some issue with the syntax. Let's see. Let me execute from the command line. Mm, I think there was some. Okay, there was a spelling mistake. Yeah, if you see, it's created separate file with the date. So that is the process to create a separate file uh, with the date. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.